Amua Isaac Fuseni Rocky Jamina is also leaving. Richmond Opoku, Julius Oforizige, and of course Shadrach. These are the men who are to depart the club. So a total of 18 players have so far been released by Asante Kotoko, and they are looking at bringing in new players. But they would be going on an European tour where they will be visiting Germany, Holland, and of course Switzerland to play some friendly matches ahead of the new season. And guess what? They have sealed the deal with IMAX Media, which will see their preseason games on TV.
Asante Kotoko and IMAX Media are excited to announce an exclusive media partnership for the Euro Tour 2024. This agreement, signed on June 12th, 2024, promises extensive television coverage and engaging content for football fans. Organized by Vroom Ghana, the Euro Tour will feature Asante Kotoko in a series of matches across Europe. IMAX Media Group, Max TV to be specific, will be the official sponsor and exclusive broadcaster, offering live broadcast, player interview, behind-the-scenes footages, and a special segment on Football Diary program. In today's channel, Max TV will provide a comprehensive coverage, including pre-tour preparation, insights into the team's training, and player interview.
So Max TV will be providing all that. They have sealed a deal with Kotoko, and they are the official broadcaster of the Kotoko European Tour. Now, the coordinator for the Kotoko European Tour, Padmore, was in our studios yesterday, and he spoke to Tony Beverly on the GPO headquarters.
Is it Kotoko preseason winning league? And our Bruchiri. Okay.
Now it's one of its kind, honestly, because we are going to 3 countries, like you said. It means that usually I'm Kotoko European Tour. But we're here for 3 countries. Okay. Holland, Germany, and Switzerland.
Oh, great.
And you know, when the whole idea came, like you rightly said, now the TV station that will give us what we really want, especially reaching out to the Kotoko fans around Europe and then in the US, now Mass TV. So that's why we decided to say no, we need to partner with Mass TV.
GPL headquarters.
Sure. And which we really appreciate. So that's that.
Funds Bekobi and corporate bodies somebody more better toy sign on.
Yes, fans creating room for fans to go, because we are one of its kind. It means that what we decided to do is say Yabama, at least the supporters know to have the feel of how Kotoko playing outside feels like. So there's an opportunity for supporters to go, which we've started.
Okay.
And like you also said, we also want corporate bodies to come on board, because there's an opportunity to showcase your product.
Your brand,
your brand as well. And imagine we showing games live and people watching it on their phones across Europe. It's a big platform for any company that comes on board. So our doors are open. I think Mass TV, your doors are open as well. And the kind of audience that you people reach out to, I think that if you're a corporate body out there, you should come on board.
Kotoko was supporters P, Ebi was Samra boy, Ebi was Kumasi, Ebi was Bamboy, Ebi was Navrongo, Ebi was Sandema. Say, somebody on Bapatato, you want. Padmon, who bet me a boy Mukakra?
Yeah, I think so. Ubibekara say time in our Kanisha. Because visa, it's a process.
You're right.
But it's not too late. You just come to Kumasi. Our office is at Kumasi, because Kumasi is where Kotoko lives.
Yeah.
So Uye Bibia now in Team Fametna Accra, honestly speaking. So we decided, even though we had an office in Accra here as a company, but he decided, no, since it's Kotoko, let's get an office in Kumasi. So our office is in Kumasi. I owe a friend says Stambik building.
Okay.
Yes. In case say you finding wanting, and I say after this interview, you reach out to us. Before I leave, I'll leave my number, and then so people can contact us wherever you are. Just call us or come to Kumasi, come to our office. Your Stambik building, Stambik building, Uju Kumasi. Eco Bank in Cheho, and I say we say Puku Trading. When you get to Puku Trading, ask of Stambik body. Uju ana kaso pe Kotoko Trading talks. Right inside.
Oh, okay. Now need to say Kumasi the Hwana Odin in Kwewo. Padmo, you for no man into job. Because I'm up for producer cause I'm up for te unkase see as Kotoko 3 countries, Germany, Holland, Switzerland there. person join because mother club friend Diago Asante Kotoko ko abroche na mo pre-season tour dia obi apeso de no ho for mo Mr. for number ni tudwa
number ni 020 169 5449 020 169 5449 offer me you definitely get me yeah.
But Mr. Bonama no bi na amount for person mo tro because Kotoko ko pre-season na nya be say di o mechi dia Mr. Ane nyabutre nefa number ni tudwa mame
number ni 020 169
5449
yes
sir anyone be register we na the woman no mabo no mu
yes sure
oh fine sure. Oh fine and the whole contingent the beni free ha the
nyame aduma e be free ha e be say 2 on the 14th of July
okay
and me I could do our first destination will be Germany. Me I could do Germany on the 15th and we'll be back on the 30th of July, so it's a 2-week massive training tour.
Yeah.
So a 2-week training tour for Kumasi, Asante, Kotoko. It will start from the 15th to the 30th of July. They are visiting Germany, Switzerland, and Holland, and they have partnered Max TV, so we'll be bringing you games from the matches that they will be playing, and also all the behind-the-scenes interview with the coaches, with the new players that will be on board. You have all the exclusive right here on your biggest sports station in Ghana. That is Max TV. You're still watching the Sports Daily. We'll take a quick break.